Now I'm about to hit this motherfucker. Some clear coat. Let's see. Won't look too heavy. Do the brake. It's still wet, but this is gonna be looking nice. So that's the first coat. Looks fresh. I also did the headlights like 3 months ago, 4 months ago. It's dirty right now. It was raining yesterday, so I'm gonna repaint this car maroon. It's a Pontiac '04 Grand Prix GT supercharged. I'm gonna paint it maroon, and then actually my next step is to paint them the brake calipers. This shit focus in. Motherfucker's not focusing, but yeah, that's the next step. Alright, so that's after 2 coats. Actually, I put 3 coats on there. Oh, the clear coat is the finished product. The brake light, that shit looks brand new now. The reverse light's good. Also hit the bottom lights for the license plate. Let's see. Yep, look brand new, like it came from the factory. What I do? What I do?